Hi there, my name is Taro Iwamoto. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner, and in today's video I'm going to show you a few exercises using exercise ball, okay? And that is going to help you improve your balance. So for this exercise, you're going to be sitting on the exercise ball, okay? And then if you're not quite confident in sitting, balancing on the exercise ball, and make sure you put the ball near the wall or near the counter, the surface, so that you can just hang on to something in case you are losing balance, okay? But otherwise, so let's start and sit on the ball first, and then this is really easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to start moving your weight forward and then moving your weight backwards. Okay, so rolling and shifting the weight forward, rolling the pelvis forward and rolling the pelvis backwards. Going forward and back. And the things that you want to pay attention when you do this exercise is make sure that you don't tense yourself. Make sure you don't hold your breath. Make sure you don't tense your neck muscles, shoulder muscles, or anywhere, abdominal muscles. That is not really going to help. All right, so the key to improve your balance is abilities, and that is going to improve your ability to counterbalance. So as you're shifting your weight, and then you're going to have to be able to move in order to respond to the changes of the positions. If you're trying to tense yourself by tightening your abdominal muscles, hold your breath and tense yourself, tense your shoulder muscles and so forth, that you are going to lose the ability to move. Therefore, it's actually that is going to compromise your balance. It doesn't help with your balance, right? So watch here. So as you are going to roll the pelvis forward and back, and then can you see how I am allowing my body to respond, okay? So you can see how my pelvis is moving and then how my spine is also moving. So as I'm moving my weight backwards and my spine is rounding and then my head is kind of tilting down a little bit, as opposed to, you can try it, okay? You can try it this way. And then you can try hold your spine still, hold your head still, and then trying to lean back. And what does that do to your balance? Okay, and it really changes the sense of the balance as you hold yourself still by tightening yourself. Okay, that you feel like you're gonna have to tighten even more, and then that doesn't really give you a sense of a balance. But next time you do that, and you let that go, and then allow your allow your spine to move. Allow your spine to flex and round a little bit, and then allow your head to tilt down as you're going backwards. How does that feel to maintain your balance? Do you feel like you're working hard at all to keep your balance? Or you feel pretty relaxed to do that, okay? And then now we're going to the forward directions. Going forward, same thing. Instead of holding yourself tight and rigid, you're going to allow the spine to this time to actually arch a little bit as you move the pelvis forward, as you shift your weight forward. Okay, arching your back a little bit, lifting your head a little bit. You can do a little bit of experiment again, and this time and next time you hold yourself tight and rigid. You can even hold the breath and see what it does to your balance. Okay, so keep everything tight. You lean forward, back, okay? And you try the other way. Counterbalance by arching your back, moving your head, lifting your head a little bit as you roll yourself forward, roll the pelvis forward. You feel the difference? So that's the one direction, going forward and back directions. And then now we're going to practice going to side to side. Okay, so you're going to shift your pelvis to the side and inside. Same thing, pay attention to your breathing, pay attention to any unnecessary muscular tension in your abdominal muscles, shoulders and neck, or anywhere else. Okay, let that go. So as you're shifting your weight over to your right side, and can you just let your spine bend sideways a little bit, let your head tilt a little bit. And go in the other direction, same thing. All right, so I'm not really trying to bend my spine. I'm allowing my spine to bend sideways as a result, okay, of shifting my weight to the side to counterbalance. So I'm not really working to move my spine, or I'm not really working to move my head. I'm just simply allowing the spine and the head to respond to the movement and to changes of the weight. And you can go both directions, going side to side and side to side. And now, if you really want to feel the difference, and again, tighten your abdominal muscles, tighten your shoulders, and hold your breath, and then hold your trunk as a rigid, like block. You shift your weight to the side, don't allow the spine to bend, but hold it still, okay? So tighten everything, keep everything tight, and hold still. And can you feel how that is going to really compromise? You can feel the compromise, your balance is so compromised. You can't really move so far because you're not allowing yourself to counterbalance as you're shifting your weight, okay? You move everything as a one block, okay? There's so much that you can move, and then you're starting to tighten even more. And then what happens, you go just a little bit further outside, well, everything is gonna fall to the side, okay? And then you're gonna hit the ground. That's it. Versus, you let that go, allow your body to respond. And then even if you're to lose your balance, then you can actually respond and then fall, okay? Gracefully, instead of hitting the ground hard, okay? And so, let me see. So we did the forward and in the back direction, and we did the side directions. And let's do just one more, which kind of combine all directions, and then you can work on the circles, like you're doing a hula hoop, okay? Hawaiian dance, belly dance, whatever. Okay, so and notice as you're making a circle, okay, moving in a circle directions. It's not just you're making a circle with your pelvis. You're allowing your trunk, okay, your spine, your rib cage, and your head to respond to the movement. And constantly you are counterbalancing. So there's no need to really to tense anything, okay? Because my balance is maintained as a result of I'm shifting everything and counterbalancing every moment. Then I can change the directions. Okay, so we covered all the three directions: forward, back, and side to side, and then circles. You can do both directions, clockwise and counterclockwise. Okay, so these exercises, give it a try if you have an exercise ball. Would be a nice thing to try. And then, so this is the balance exercises. And although you are doing, I'm showing these exercises sitting on the ball, but you check your balance standing, okay? And then how you can even the test standing on one leg and standing on the other leg, and your ability to maintain your balance standing like that. And before you do this exercise, and then after you do these exercises, then you check your balance again, standing on one leg, and let me know what you think. And if you find that after going through these exercises, you can balance on one leg better, okay? And just write in the comment, please. I appreciate that. All right, and that's it for this video. And thanks for watching. And if you like this video, and please hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, thank you, and I will see you in next video. Bye-bye.